We got the convoy ready. I got the Charger and the U-Haul ready. Today we're gonna pick up a car I never thought I'd purchase, and let me explain. Today we're gonna be picking up an S13 with a 2JZ, and it is gonna be my pro spec car. I honestly never thought I would own a 2JZ car, much less an S14 technically. It's a S14.5. So it has the S15 front end, S14 body, Rocket Bunny kit that alone is like $2K, and a freshly machined top end of a 2JZ with a stock bottom end. We're gonna be building this as a grassroots car. I'm looking for like 950 horsepower, and then a pro spec car, but I don't think I wanna go pro FD build as far as like meeting all the requirements that pro FD does. But yeah. Long drive, 40-minute drive ahead of us. We'll get it done, and then I'll show you guys the car when we're ready to purchase it. We're randomly in a pack store because we're waiting for the S14 guy to let us in, so we're waiting around in the meantime.
Guys, I don't know the names anymore.
That same card, by the way, this same one hollow, by the way, is $160.
No, I think it's the foil.
Yeah, the foil. No, the exact same one, but foil.
Oh, true.
Over there for $140.
Ray gun.
I don't even know what that thing is.
Ray gun.
That's a newer one.
Looks like an ink.
Ooh, hollow
Vaporeon.
Vaporeon.
That's tight. It's a reverse hollow. It's a reverse hollow. That's your hit. That's your hit. Why is it actually sick? Yo. What is that? Wait, what is it? That's tight. Is that a Tapatio?
What, I keep getting more?
Wait, you got like 4 hollows back to back, dude. Alright, so this is a lot of different things. We got a drive shaft. We have an extra spare door, the rest of the body kit, Prisma, black seat, super sparkly back on that one, and the block is over there. We got a stack of wheels that we're maybe gonna throw on, carbon fiber hood, which is like my ideal shape for the S15 platform, a ton of extra rear bumper and all sorts of other stuff, radiator and stuff like that. I have the finished 2JZ head and titanium valves in the back of the Charger, but right now I'm gonna roll through. We gotta still move this car, and the steering column is cracked, so we're kind of working against ourselves to get this in. It's gonna be a pain in my ass in my yard. I already know it. Yeah. The biggest issue moving this thing is gonna be this wire harness. This is for the SR that was in it prior, or whatever motor was. But the connection that goes through a firewall is kind of back behind it. So whenever I move this tire, it'd be rubbing there. We're gonna take off this, and I'm just gonna try to run it up over the body instead. That way I'm not rubbing against the actual piece. And I also don't want this blowing up in the wind because it's not held on that well. I have to cut it.
Yeah, you can just cut it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do later. In the meantime, if it rubs, it rubs, so here. Oh my fucking god. Jacob just started zip tying all the way down. I need a new shirt after this. You need a new what? Need a new shirt after this.
You?
Oh yeah. You gonna help in this?
That's what Scott's gonna do, is he's gonna buy you a new shirt.
I got one in my house you can probably borrow. Actually, wait, did you ever give me back the... Nope. I know for a fact you didn't. Nope. See, you don't got a great track record with shirts, bro. Well, yeah, no.
It's an advance. He can keep it.
I'm trying to connect together 2 zip ties. I've done the whole wiring harness for the day. Alright, is this... I think that shit went up down here. That's all I know. This car wouldn't even be that hard to move if that was one piece. Like literally, you could literally just have one person steer and the other people
Trying to get it aligned was not.
Scott, I need 4 more zip ties.
It's clean. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you. Bro, 8K, 60,000 miles, V8, all-wheel drive.
60,000 for $8 grand?
Bro, yes. No, I'm a sniper. Dude, that motherfucker said it was in Wisconsin. It was a 6-hour drive, and he was like,
look, he had a whole batch. That man right there, he had a whole batch of zip ties.
You know how weird my Miata manual, bro? Yeah. He has the
240 NX.
Dude, that's clean as fuck.
You're not even a Nissan boy. This is fucking crazy.
I know, I'm not. I plan on him for his 350 all the time.
Man.
I wasn't either, but I mean...
He grew up about like a Ford fan. He hates JDMs.
Yeah,
I was like,
really?
man.
Yeah, and then I bought my Mustang. You got like a mallet? Where the hammer at?
What a problem, Matt.
Well, I'm gonna pull over this car before I get this thing off.
one in here.
Oh, I know. Okay.
Yeah, that lower ball joint is the proper ball.
Other way.
Bro, it's not even wiggling.
We'll be back.
Warranty, dude.
Thank God I wasn't recording.
Oh, I'm in the blast zone.
Works every time.
Okay.
Low key, if I get 4 on here and if I don't get that 100,
Why don't you, instead of tightening it all the way, just tighten it sequentially? Like
whatever. Like this? If it
yeah, like a
comes
little by
off-
little, and then go just keep going all the way around.
Yes. Okay, bet.
Let me.
I remember when I did this. Throw back to the K-Truck video.
It was a lot easier then, actually. And K-Truck, we were drifting on wheels. No, the cutting was hard. No, and that was all me, dude.
The K-Truck was rough. That took like all night because of the cutting.
Dude, the cutting, dude, and by the way, we didn't have the ear muff, bro. My ear was ringing for that week, dude. That shit was miserable.
Yeah, I was the cameraman.
Down. Like the seat should be wrapped up and then tied down. The drive shaft, I'm worried about it just flying around. Just show the back of this truck though. This back of this truck is chaos. So basically right now, everything would be broken in here if we just take off. So we gotta take off any of the panel parts of the car, like the light pieces, let's take out of the thing because those are gonna be the last ones to go in. The door and the seat, we should wrap up the seat and then we should tie that down. And we need to tie down the door. Make sure that doesn't move. Damn. We're gonna have to redo it. It looks like a lot when you put it all together. We have to take out all the pieces, all the body panels.
Yeah, I agree.
Because they're gonna slide around and break, so we need to tie down the heavy things before
We'll be back.
He's gonna lay this straight up. Oh, this man's a legend. I forgot. My bad. Dude, I doubted his skill for 2 seconds. My bad.
He got a girl on the dude.
Yeah, no, she was riding last time. Really? Yeah.
He's gonna pull this bitch on?
Damn, the Hudson's cannibal.
Yeah. You don't know, but these guys always show up.
He looks like a legend.
Bro, my Miata, I lifted it up with my hand on the front. Yeah, because I didn't have it yet. If you don't look, you don't got push. I'm not gonna lie. You gotta steer the front wheel all the way that way. Pushing the wheels. One of you guys rotate over here. I got it. Go. I heard a spring compressor on this side. Hold on.
What the fuck is that?
Spring compression. It's fine. It just shifted. Okay. It's been on a jack the entire time. The spring decompressed it. The springs are not like used to. They're not settled at all. Yep, all right, keep going.
Let's get that last little bit of turn here.
Alright.
Get it like you can.
I'm trying.
Here, I'm gonna get on the other side. Keep going. Are we gonna start straightening out?
Nope, not yet. We're getting closer, but we gotta go a little bit more.
Keep going.
And it's just you, like, we're getting closer, a little bit more. Keep going. Now we can maybe start straightening.
Ready? Straight.
Okay, there.
I'm gonna get the tension back.
Whoa. Just stop. You said go over. The wheels started moving on us. Wait, guys. We gotta go.
We gotta turn using front wheel.
Yeah, it's fine. We can do it though. Here. Wait, start going backwards. I got you. Yep. Start going backwards. Go back.
We're going back.
There you go. Low key is straight. Low key it is straight. There you go. Looking good?
Dude, that wheel is bowing.
Yeah. And there's a
I have to say, do we pull it back and give it some momentum up?
It's got some crazy toe because we don't have any of the control arms adjusted. Yo, it's got some crazy drift car, bro. Prospect drift car.
Got anything you want to say?
Dude, I'm just so happy. Like, I actually get to drive a fucking car, dude. This is gonna be my seat time car. Bro's already standing on my fucking car, bro. Already standing on my car. Yeah, it's a drift car. You gotta fucking back it up.
That's so funny. I'm excited just to see it get done.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, like, within a year and a half, I'm gonna get this shit done.
I'm very excited to see it.
Yo, you down to do a video once it's done to test drive?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, I'll let you rip it. Dead ass.
Bro.
We will do that. I mean, so serious. We'll do it. Bro, also just trying to low key.
Oh shit, he was recording the whole time.
I don't think we can hear you.
Oh, that shit not getting done. That shit not getting done. Not getting done in a year.
Who that shit?
Hey, this car, finishing in 5.
I mean, shit, Sky can do the fucking Mustang. That's real. That K-Truck though. That's Griffin. Yeah, Griffin is like 500.
Was the Mustang at this point?
That's true. He did an engine swap his Miata.
True.
Give him credit. Honestly, he's
There's
done.
no transmission and engine solo.
That's fine,
shit was
but
terrible.
wiring?
You know what we should roast
Wiring.
on? The fact that we put his lift in like 3 months ago.
And I still don't have the electrical in it. That's true.
See, no, that's tough because you have to have somebody else come out. Also, and it's a big paycheck.
I'm not gonna lie, it's like $350 they quote me. Bro, you can't ruin it more than it is, dude. No.
You ain't wrong.
Go to the photo. How you think this is? This is fire. Thanks, good. Bro, my hands are dirty as fuck, but I'm so stoked for the shit. My shirt's ruined forever.
Thank God he changed it.
Yo, for the thumbnails, guy, for the thumbnails, stand there. I'm not kidding. And then I gotta take it.
Wait.
No, guys, stand on.
Stand on the car.
He's doing shit. I low-key don't want to stand up. God, you gotta fucking. That's hard. Okay, good. Yeah, I think so.
Thumbnail.
We all stand on there for the thumbnail?
You can only stand on the fucking one section of the subframe. Yeah, subframe here and here though. So we're all cuddled up in one corner.
Okay, one person stand there, one person stand there, and the rest sit.
Someone sits in the end.
Yeah.
No, we should
Thumbnail
all
right
just,
there.
We should all just take a pic on it getting jacked up. No, did you see that though? He only took the picture right after you stepped on the hood.
Yeah.
Right after you stepped on the hood, he was like, "Fuck no."
Oh. Almost. I never thought it happened. It's not rusted.
Alright, this is going to be the final resting place for the S14. We did beat it here, but it is going to be resting where the lift is going to be. And this is going to be the final resting place until we get the new motor inside of it, everything like that. As far as spacing, we actually have, I think, plenty of space. Even with it rolled all the way back, I should still have plenty of room to be able to install an engine in it. And if I really need to, I can always push it back a little bit to make sure I have extra space for whenever I'm ready to throw that engine in. But yeah, this video, mostly I just wanted to show the new project, get you guys excited about it. Project number 2, we're going to be digging through all the parts because I have a U-Haul truck and a car full of parts for this thing. It is a lot. So I want to dissect what we have before I start purchasing shit. Look at that. The end of the cap is on it too, dude. Dude, that's a nice ass piece.
And it's clean too, like.
Dude, what the fuck?
They probably hot tanked it at the machine shop.
Holy shit.
Cause I got my shit hot tanked too. It looked like.
Well, also, like, even the way that this, it has the walk-off plate, it has all the vacuum on it, bro. This thing's mint as fuck.
No, this is.
Look at the big, look at
the welds on these are so fucking.
Look at that throttle body.
Yeah.
On the inside, bro. Look at the face of that shit.
90 millimeters. Too?
Bro, 90 mil is crazy, dude. Look at that, dude. Dude, that's fucking crazy. Jacob, check the throttle body on this shit, dude.
90 millimeters.
Bro, it has a 90 mil on this. So we moved this into the car before the actual throttle body. 90 millimeter throttle body on that shit, bro. That's gonna be insane. HKS cam gears. The entire top end is already finished and built.
Clean.
Cams and everything, dude.
Clean.
This thing is like a piece of
Look at
work
these
of art.
welds.
Welds are beautiful. Also, titanium on the bottom. Bro, titanium lifters and valves. It is fucking like a piece of art, dude. I'm so excited to put that in this car. 2JZ block. I never thought I would see this inside my shop. This is the stock one. Don't get me wrong, it does need to get refinished, rusted, but there's no cracks or any sort of exterior damage. I'm gonna send this off to a machine shop to get that properly done. We did get a domino sign, which is pretty sick. We got awesome seats. That's the stock intake for the Nissan. And then this is the beauty herself. This is the S14.5. I mean, it's like, you know, it's a fucked up car, but it's really better than I thought it was. Yeah. Like, you know what I mean? That's insane. What are you guys playing with? Yo, Sky? What the fuck? What are you guys discovering in my car?